Attorney General of Venezuela, Tarek William Saab, announced the opening of an investigation into the seizure of assets by the United States, motivated by the anti-democratic actions of opposition figure Juan Guaido.
That is why, this March 23rd, we have opened a criminal investigation on the grounds of the seizure of these resources of the Venezuelan state that could have been devoted, among other purposes, to the COVID-19 pandemic and the purchase of vaccines for this virus, the purchase of medicines, the purchase of food. We are not just talking about figures. We are talking about the seizure of Venezuelan assets for an amount of $7 billion that belong to the people of Venezuela, that belong to the Venezuelan state, which have been plundered under the illegitimate excuses of the United States government and the governments associated with this criminal action that has been condemned by the United Nations.
The Attorney General also denounced that the United States' unilateral sanctions, blockade and seizure of Venezuelan assets abroad amount to crimes against humanity.
The sanctions, the freezing of monetary assets, the seizure of Venezuelan assets amount to crimes against humanity, and the International Criminal Court has this evidence, has the reports in its hands, and must act accordingly. The investigation is known as VESLA 2, and we hope there is a response.